After I redesigned the body, I had to fix the sleeve. In terms of fit, cap height is too short and muscle is too big, and it was hiking. Before, cap height was 5 and the muscle without the seam allowances was 15 and a half. After, cap height is 6 and muscle 1 inch below is 13 and 7/8. Took apart at flat felt. I'll take him from front. I traced the previous sleeve on the paper and had to redraft it. So let me measure the cap height. Cap height is measured this way and it's 5 inches. That's too little. So muscle 1 inch below right now is 14 and a half. Perfect. So I'll make this 13 and a half and cap height 5 to at least 5 and a half and see what happens. This is still a lot of angle compared to this. So I will take out ½ inch from here again. Okay, removed. So now I will look at the shape from here to here, and as you see, I can lower this a lot. So let's lower 3/8. This point is too high compared to this point. So I will shift this down like this and level up with this down. That's automatically increase the cap height. Let's reshape this. Lot better. So let's check the shape. So let's check the shape. So a lot better. It will fit a lot better. So I can cut the out seams. Let's check the shape here. Okay, so now I will measure this and measure my armhole. This armhole is not a great shape, but that's what I had. So I will measure this way. And I will use a tiny seam allowance here. And then here, 9 3/8 front. Okay, 19 and a half. So armhole is 19 and a half. Let's check the sleeve. Okay, sleeve is about 1919. So let's raise this cap height another ½ inch and cut. ½ inch is here. I'm going to raise this. Okay, so it's about 19 and 5/8, but we'll make it work. I cut, sewed, looks beautiful two-piece sleeve. Ease the sleeve cap by stitching first and pulling the thread. And then join at the seam. Try it, muscle, elbow, length, everything feels great. Luckily, it matched my armhole perfectly. Very happy with the result.